Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video. Bear with me, I am not the best unboxer. I purchased for myself the Double Zip Pochette from Louis Vuitton. My husband had given me some money for Christmas and I had been saving up and been looking for the past couple years for a crossbody bag. I have an old Speedy that I bought used 7 or 8 years ago, as well as the Neverfull, but I really wanted something crossbody that could be casual as well as dressy. I have the mini pochette that I use as my wallet. I had tried wearing that crossbody a few times when the mini purses were kind of coming into trend, but as my phones got bigger, things just weren't fitting in them as well, so I like to use that as my wallet. I've been looking for the pochette, but it always is out of stock. So when I saw the double zip, I just fell in love with the shape, the double side that you get, the large monogram and the regular monogram, and I was just looking at it. It was in stock, and then one day it wasn't, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should have just got it. And then it came back in stock and I didn't, and now it's out of stock again. So, and with the price increase, the Louis Vuittons just keep jumping and jumping. I thought now's the best time just to get something that you want before they keep doing more price increases. My Neverfull that I got about 6 or 7 years ago, I think, was under $1,000. Now I think it's close to $2,000, so the prices just keep going up. So I just wanted to get something that I really wanted, that I know will last me forever. So if you guys want to see the unboxing video, hopefully I'm not like, guess what I'm opening, because I usually just film my intros after I do the video, as I've told you what I'm getting. But if you guys want to see the video, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox my purse, my bag. I am nervous. I hope that I like it. Yeah, I have not opened it or looked at it for almost a week, so I'm just gonna open the outside box first and see what we got going on. Alright, here is the outside box. Was delivered in here we will have the care card. I'm sure, nope, that is my receipt on my method of payment. And then we have exchange and return if we want to exchange and return it. Okay, super nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm excited. Okay, so here is the box. Slide it open. More cards. This, I'm not too sure what this is for. Maybe if you want to wrap it as a present, I think that's what it's for. Let's just say that's what it's for. So here's the dust bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. So pretty. Goodness. Right. Slide it out. Look at that. What is that? Actually, what is that? Oh, nothing. Just a little piece of fluff. And then we have the monogram of the other side. Okay, where is the strappy strap? think it's inside. Yes. So here is the strap that it comes with. So this is why I wanted this bag, purse, clutch. You can wear it as a clutch. So cute. So yeah, I wanted something crossbody. I have the Speedy. I have an old Speedy. I bought that from Beyond the Rack like 7 or 8 years ago. I think it was like $600 then, and it was well loved. I should have just bought it off Louis Vuitton. I think it was like $800 then for a Speedy. So, and I also have the Neverfull in the Damier white, and I love it, but I really wanted something that was crossbody. So I have to put this together. Oh, that's good. So it's adjustable. The strap is adjustable. I love that it comes in like a black color with the gold hardware. It just adds like a nice contrast to it instead of that bright kind of light. I'm doing a horrible job at this taupey color. Okay, all right. So let's look at this. So it has the two zippers. They seem to open and close quite well. And then it also has this middle pouch right here, so you can put stuff down inside. I don't have my phone because my phone is on the tripod, so I'll just try slipping this phone case. So my phone won't fit in the middle. I have the Huawei phone and it's a bigger phone, but obviously it fits nicely into one of the side pouches. And I believe, yeah, there's a little kind of extra pouch in here, as well as little credit card slots. So I'll just use this for reference. You can slide it down in. I don't know how much I will use those, but I saw another lady, oh my gosh, I was just looking through videos, I can't remember her channel, but she had used her, so I'm just going to show you guys the mini pochette for reference in size. And she had stuck, I use my mini pochette for my cards and change. I use this as my little wallet, so that actually will just fit perfectly in one of the pouches and still looks pretty streamlined and flat. So I looked up in my closet and saw this. Clearly I know what that ribbon is for. I just, mom brain. All right, this is the purse crossbody. It was a little tricky getting the clasps in on either side. That kind of is a little tricky to get it in, but I think 90% of the time I'm going to be wearing a crossbody, so I'm not going to be taking those on and off. And casually, I think that I like the monogram side better. Like, it just looks cute and casual just to wear around. I like that it's flat and linear, super traditional shape, and that is what I wanted too, something very traditional, because you want it to be timeless for the price that you pay. So I'll flip it around to the other side, the large monogram, and I think I might even adjust it a little bit shorter. I love this, the leather kind of has like a smooth finish to it, like a matte finish as opposed to a shiny finish, which I think is really pretty. So I'll show you guys the large monogram side. I love this cognac kind of color too. It's like you're getting two purses in one, which is amazing. So you could wear it more in the front if you wanted. I wear it as a shoulder strap too, which looks more like dressy. Alright, so I'm just going to try and put a couple things in this middle pouch. Just a little lip gloss, a mask. This is awesome just for having things that you want readily available, like your mask, your keys. I would have stuck my phone in there, but it's just too big. So that's in there. The keys, the mask, and the lip gloss. It still keeps its shape really, really nicely. And then it's just right there and easy to grab if you want to get it. So the length on the Double Zip Pochette is 7.4 inches lengthwise. The height is 4.9 inches, and then the width is 1.2 inches. Alright, so I think that I am going to put her away and save it more for when we are getting closer to spring, and hopefully when we are out freely more, out shopping. I think right now it's so cold and just snowy and dirty and salty, and I'm gonna keep her nice and safe until until getting closer to springtime. So thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I'm sure it was not even compared to what the actual YouTuber luxury unboxings are. I did my best. I was excited and nervous, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.